You receive a message in self-check if you need to flush the device. Flushing of the device is done to remove oxygen inside the measuring head. Open the main unit. Take the spare parts box from the side of the door. Select the quick connector for the gas hose. Connect to the main unit. Apply dry and pure flushing gas, like argon or nitrogen. Open the gas bottle. Gas flow should be between 1 to 3 liter per minute and pressure max 1 bar. Connect the gas tube. Press flushing on from the settings page. The measuring head lights turn yellow. Perform self-check every 2 minutes until the result is under 0.1. Remember to turn off flushing when oxygen percent is under 0.1. Close the gas bottle's valve. Disconnect the gas tube. And disconnect the quick connector. Your device is flushed.